Hey there, it's Brittany. I'm back with an unboxing video from an Etsy shop called NanasPrettyGirls. So I found them through one of my subscribers. Just gonna put these there so you guys can kind of get a quick sneak peek while I'm talking. I found this shop through one of my subscribers, Marcy. Thank you, Marcy. I love everything. And I went to their shop for one reason, and I'll show you what it is, and found a bunch of other stuff, of course, but I held myself in check. Didn't get too much, but I definitely wanted to share with you what I got. Please check them out. It's called NanasPrettyGirls, and I will leave a link to their shop below. They have tons of really cool stuff. I had a hard time choosing. So the first thing I wanted to show you was this cord, 4mm ethnic cloth rope cord, black tribal pattern. It was $1.25 for a yard. I thought it was really cool, and we're going to use it I'm going to use it in a bracelet video coming up for my bracelet challenge. Not today, because I have no idea what I want to do with it, but I thought it was so cool. And reminded me kind of like almost like a Mexican blanket, or some of the African prints I've seen too. They have at least one other pattern, but I wanted to check it out before I went crazy, which I shouldn't be going crazy right now anyway. But anyway, I really like this. There's more than enough to make a necklace and a bracelet with it, and some earrings even, so I can't wait to do something with this. And I just love their little packaging. Look, this has a little giraffe on it. I don't know if you guys know, but giraffes are my favorite animal. Just love them, have always loved them. Okay, next we're gonna go through this one. I just love this packaging. I need to find out if they sell it or where they get it, because it's so cute and I want it. So these beads are the reason that I went to this Etsy shop, and aren't these just so amazing? Like, they are reminding me of the painting, the Starry Night, or I actually don't know if that's the name of it. I think it's Van Gogh. But they're also reminding me of my Desert Night Sky Zuni bears. And that's why Marcy sent me the picture of them. She said, hey, I got these to match the bear that I got from you. And it's got all the same colors. And I cannot wait to make a necklace featuring these two. I want it to be super amazing. And actually, this is the bear I'm going to use it with it, because I'm really liking how the orange and the yellow hit in there. But it matches several of the other Zuni bears that I have. Again, these I have some of these. They're not going to go on sale until like probably October, when I have the ability to do anything again. I closed my new house three weeks from yesterday, so you guys are going to get so sick of hearing about that. But anyway, just thought these were super gorgeous. These are the reason I went to this shop. They were $3.50 for, I think it's a 15-inch strand. I got 3 strands. It doesn't say how long the strand is, but they're 8mm jade gemstone beads, 46 beads per strand, and they're just gorgeous. I mean, there's so many different things. It kind of looks like that Fordite too, or the surfboard beads. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. But then next I have these matte turquoise beads, and I don't have any matte turquoise beads. I take that back. I probably do, but I don't have any that are this nice. I don't know that they're actual turquoise, but they're pretty cool. I mean, they're really neat, and I love the striations in them. I love how bright blue they are, and I love that they're matte. These are 8mm. They were $4.25 for a 15. I think this is a 15-inch strand. So really pretty. Cannot wait to make something out of that. Next we have this baggie, and I'm sure you guys are seeing some Heishi beads in there. The first strand I'm pulling out is the 6mm vinyl Heishi bead dark teal dot. So hello, those are so awesome. I'm starting to see this pattern more. I've only had, up until this point, very solid colors, and I want to make my own Heishi beads soon, but again, I've been putting away a lot of my jewelry making tools, and I'm trying not to make any messes with clay right now. So it won't be for a while, but I cannot wait to experiment in about a month or two. So anyway, these are really cool. They were $2.40 for a very long strand, and they say about 350, 400 beads on the strand. So fun. The next strand I got were these Magenta Rainbow, and I think that's just a fantastic name, and it's got those stripes again. It's just so cool. Okay, I see how it's done now. You make a cane. Okay. And then you cut it up, which that's what you do with regular Heishi, but these you have to do a little bit more work. So these are super awesome polymer clay beads. It does say African vinyl, but it says African vinyl beads, polymer clay beads, vinyl jewelry beads. So I think these are definitely polymer clay. They're not African vinyl, but they're so beautiful, and they were $2.40 for this color as well. Ugh, I'm so obsessed. It looks like just a happy disco party. And then I got, I think this is called Yellow Rainbow. Yeah, this is the Yellow Rainbow color, or colors, and it's like a neon, sorry the colors changed in the camera, neon sherbet, however you want to say it, neon ice cream. It just looks so fun, so summery, so happy. Kind of reminds me of how I feel in the middle of summer here in Arizona. So that is so cool. This one was $2.25 at the time I purchased. And then I have two other items. I bought these Boho heart charms, 5 for $1.75, and I bought them with the thought that I would patina them or paint them or do something with them to alter them, although I probably will use one as silver, but I really think that these would look fantastic with multiple colors of patina on them. So these are 5 for $1.75. And then last but not least are these beautiful buttons. So pretty. They're so fun, and you know, you can pay a lot of money for buttons. These are $2 for 5 buttons, which I thought was a fantastic deal because sometimes buttons like this cost $2. These aren't tiara cast, but they're still fantabulous. You can do a lot of things with them. Obviously, I'm going to, well, maybe not obviously, but I'm going to use one or more on a bracelet, and I might patina them as well. And I like the dots kind of look like an animal print on these a little bit. Speaking of animals, Miss Goldie has been very clingy today, so I'm going to try and get a video of her, but every time I turn the camera on her, she kind of just like wants to jump on me. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you know anybody who likes beads, unboxing videos, jewelry making, finished jewelry, hoarding, ridiculousness, let them know about my channel. The other thing is, please check out yesterday's video where you can enter to win a Zuni Bear necklace or a pair of Zuni Bear earrings. Oh, I can show you the necklace because I have it right here. You can enter to win this necklace. Isn't that so fun? Or you can enter to win this pair of earrings. I thought I had the pair of earrings, but here we are. Or you can enter in this pair of earrings. You need to be a subscriber to my channel. I will check, and you need to leave a comment on that video. I will leave a link to that video below, as well as a link to Nana's Pretty Girls Etsy shop. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna call it everything in this whole haul is my favorite. I just look, all three of these together look so fancy and so happy, and just makes me want to dance. And I'm not a dancer, you guys. I'm certainly not a dancer, but I think the Heishi beads and then these striped jade beads are my favorites from this haul. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye. Hi, Goldie. Do you love beads? Yeah. You just love them, huh? Just like your mommy. Yeah? You want mommy to rub your tummy?